Let's learn ABC phonics. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for carrot. Carrot. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for frog. Frog. G for grapes. Grapes. H for house. House. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K for kite. Kite. L for lemon. Lemon. M for mango. Mango. N for nest. Nest. O for octopus. Octopus. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sun. Sun. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for watch. Watch. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z for zebra. Zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.